Well, we got a 2018 Komatsu excavator PC 238. I'm gonna show you how to do a manual regen. Make sure your idle is on minimum, levels lock. You come here, you hold 4. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Okay? You hold 4 down and then 1, 2, 3. Takes you to this screen here. Then you would go down to your diagnosis tests. Hit OK. And then, as you can see, active regen for service. Hit that. Boom, that takes you to your regen. You hit OK. And boom. And you let it do its thing, and then until it's done, it will stop the phone. And you have it. This may take 30, maybe an hour. That's it.